Welcome to video 1-1 of this Udemy series on how to get free radio and PR for your business. In this video, I'm going to talk about the incredible benefits and the power of radio and blogs for your business. Now, 96% of Americans, that's right, 96% of Americans listen to talk radio at least once a week, and 75% of all Americans listen to talk radio every day. Every day. Think about the opportunities that gives for your business to get out there and to promote itself. Now, in addition to that, there are over 12,000 talk radio shows on terrestrial radio, and they have no idea how many talk shows there are on the internet. In other words, there's 25,000 opportunities probably for you to get on the radio every single day. And also, when we listen to the radio, we always listen to people that we really like. We don't listen to people that we hate. We listen to our friends. And our radio hosts become friends of ours. And because of that, we trust them. They have pre-vetted their guests and only bring us guests that are entertaining and educational. In other words, I trust the guests that my hosts bring. This is one of the incredible benefits of being on the radio. This trust is transferred to you from the host, and you are an automatic authority just by being on the radio. It will help drive your business and will give you great benefits for how you can make your product sell better. Now, in the next video, I'm going to give you a very specific example of how my products sell better by being on the radio.